Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Eliminating render blocking resources in WordPress is essential for improving your website's loading speed and overall performance. Render blocking resources are files, typically CSS and JavaScript, that prevent the browser from rendering the page until they are fully loaded. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to eliminate these resources, along with code examples. Step 1. Identify render blocking resources. Before you can eliminate render blocking resources, you need to identify them. You can use tools like Google Page Speed Insights. Enter your website URL and check the Eliminate Render Blocking Resources section. JavaScript provides a detailed report on your website's performance and lists render blocking resources. Webpagetest offers an in-depth analysis of how your page loads. Step 2. Use asynchronous and deferred loading for JavaScript. To prevent JavaScript files from blocking the rendering of the page, you can load them asynchronously or defer their loading. Example, adding the async and defer attributes. You can add the async or defer attributes to your script tags. The async attribute allows the script to be downloaded in parallel with other resources, while the defer attribute ensures that the script will execute in order after the document has been parsed. Code example, enqueuing scripts with attributes. In your theme's functions.php file, you can modify your script enqueuing like this. Step 3. Optimize CSS loading. CSS files can also block rendering. To optimize CSS loading, consider the following methods. 1. Inline critical CSS. This is the CSS required to render the above-the-fold content. You can manually inline it or use plugins that extract critical CSS automatically. Example, inline critical CSS. To load other CSS files asynchronously, similar to JavaScript, you can load non-critical CSS files asynchronously. Example, load CSS asynchronously. Step 4. Minify CSS and JavaScript. Minifying your CSS and JavaScript files reduces their size, which can improve loading speed. You can use plugins like AutoOptimize, WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache. These plugins can help you automatically minify and combine files, reducing the number of requests. Step 5. Use a caching plugin. Caching plugins can significantly improve performance by serving static versions of your pages. Popular options include WP Super Cache, WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache. Install and configure a caching plugin to enhance load times further. Step 6. Test your changes. After making these changes, retest your website using the same tools mentioned earlier, Google Page Speed Insights, JavaScript, etc., to see if the render blocking resources have been successfully eliminated. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively eliminate render blocking resources on your WordPress site. This will lead to faster load times and an improved user experience. Remember that performance optimization is an ongoing process, so regularly monitor your site and make adjustments as necessary.